Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So your COMEDK 2024 online registration and document upload process will start from May 24 and 4 p.m. onwards. So in this video, I'll be telling you the detailed step-by-step process how we can do this. Okay, so let us see them. Okay, so the step 1 for this is you have to log in to the applicant login ID and you have to use application number and the password. Okay, so first you have to log in. Next, there will be a tab that is your counseling registration tab. So you have to click on this. Now you have to verify the details, your all the datas are there. So once you verify it, and then you have to pay the registration fee of rupees 2000. Okay, and this registration fee is non-refundable. So whether you get a seat or not, this 2000 will not be refunded in any case. Now you have to pay this to participate in the counseling process. Now for paying this, you will be directed to the PayU payment portal for initiating the payment, and extra charges for convenience fee may be applicable. Okay, some extra charges more than 2000 will be applicable as convenience fees. Now after you complete the payment process and check that the payment is successful. Okay, so you have to be very careful here that the payment must be successful, because after that only the next process you can do. So if the payment is not completed, the rest of the process cannot be done. Okay, so in case of unsuccessful payment, so like for example any net issue is there or something other problem happened and the payment is incomplete, you have to reinitiate the payment again by doing to step 1. So you have to again go to the first step and follow all these 3 steps and complete the payment step. Okay, so now after the payment step is done, after the payment is completed, then only you can go for the next steps. So let us see them. Once the screen shows a successful payment message, okay, so you will, once the payment is done, you will get a message that your payment is successful on the screen. Then you have to close that tab and go back to the application form. Okay, so after you get a successful payment message, you have to confirm that your payment is completed. Then you can go back to the application form again. Now here you have to click on the document upload. Okay, so once there will be another tab that is document upload, so you have to click on this. So this tab will be visible only after the registration is completed. So those whose payment will be done, registration will be them. For them only document upload, this tab will be shown. For others it will not be shown. Okay, now upload all the documents as applicable for you. Please use scanned documents for upload. Okay, so this is very important. You have to, like, you should not upload any images taken from phones or anything. Just scan the documents and then upload it. Okay, so once the document list will also be coming in the website, so prepare all the documents, take scanned images of them, and then you can upload it. Okay, now click on each document and recheck if the document uploaded by you is clear. So it will be visible, it should be visible, it should be legible, that whatever documents you have uploaded, there should not be any blur image in that. Now in case the document uploaded is unclear, please upload again in the respective section. Okay, so you can re-upload it and just check that all the documents that you have uploaded are legible and very clear. Next, frequently check your application form and email to understand the verification status of your document upload. So once you have uploaded the documents, it will be verified. So keep like a track of it. Keep checking your application form. It will be like status will be there, whether it is verified, not verified. And you will also be getting notifications in email. So you have to keep a track of this. Clear? Okay. So yes. So these were the steps for your COMEDK registration and document upload, which is very important step. So it is highly recommendable that, like, once the process starts tomorrow at 4 p.m. you have to start it. So do not wait, do not make it very lengthy, because at the end the website will be busy. And also keep ready with your documents, and once the portal starts, once the registration starts, do it immediately. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please comment, we'll definitely address it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates.